Hi, Bean Beauties. Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, yes, these are still in that box from it's Hadrian 1, 2. I'm going to open one of these. If it is not a handbag, then I'll open the other one. If it is a handbag, then we'll save the other one for another video. So if you're curious, talk me into it. Come on back. Hi, Bean Beauties. Welcome to Chaotic Christmas 2025, where you never know what you're going to get over here. One day it'll be COACHmas, one day it'll be DECmas, and one day it'll be Miscellaneousmas. And why is it called Chaotic Christmas? Because this girl wants to do way too much for y'all in the month of December. My goal is to have a month-long unboxing of all the things that I purchased in 2025 that I haven't had a chance to unbox because of my health or other reasons. And yes, I might even find items from 2024 and even items from 2023. Shh. No judging, okay? Well, okay, you can judge a little bit because I do. So if you don't want to miss out on the chaos over here, and if you are having your own chaos at home and you want to enjoy somebody else's chaos, then come on over. But you got to make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell, because I don't know when I'm going to upload. I don't know what time I'm going to upload. I don't know. Well, it should be every day, but will it be every day? I don't know. So if you are interested in any of that, and if I have you just a little bit of curious, then come on back and let's get started. All right. So which one? This one? This one? Gotta pick this one. Okay. All right. I don't know, maybe, depending on what it is, if it's a true miscellaneous one, like a miscellaneous is anything that is not a junior or a coach, then maybe I'll open that other one, because I have lots more to open, y'all. Oh, yeah. Okay. I don't know where my little thing is at, but luckily these aren't too bad. We're just getting right into it because it is 1:45 in the morning. I'm exhausted. I'm missing It's Hadrian. He's the one I bought these from. He's on right now. We're supposed to be on. So he's probably already over. Stop me, Bean Beauty. Stop me. Yeah. So here it is. Ooh! It's a COACHmas. I've been looking for this one. This is the perfect. Okay. Yeah, because I don't know. Look, hold on, let me show you. Hold on. Okay, I can't, she can't concentrate. Look, let's take this off. Look, so now I have 3 pillow tabbies. So I don't need another one because I have a full collection now. And this is like a lime green, and I picked purple, and It's Hadrian bedazzled it for me because the leather C had come undone. So instead of it going into the dumpster, instead of it going into the bin or whatever, he bedazzled it for me. That is so cool. So it I'll put up the screen when I purchased it from him, and it look at this shiny. That movie, you know, with the witches, the wizard. It says something, and then you do the W and wah wah and what the turd.
Because if you think about it, Madam Horrible, flip it around, Wicked Witch.
Yeah. Madam Horrible, flip it over, Wicked Witch. What the frickin' heck? Madam Horrible, flip it over, Wicked Witch.
Have y'all watched the movie? My grandkids were telling me a couple of nights ago. And so it's like kind of inspiration from that. It is the second one. So I'll get to watch it when it comes out on TV. Very cool. Okay, so COACHmas. This is a COACHmas now. So COACHmas, what is our advent calendar? Why can't I remember? Oh, it's the Labubus, right? I think so. Let me go grab them. Okay. They're right here next to me. Okay. So I don't know. There's only 2 left, but I don't know if that's all of them. I'm gonna have to go count and make sure that they're not tipped over anywhere here. So, grabbing this one. I don't know how many I had of these. Oh, good. It's a Big Into the Energy. Yes, yes, yes. I like these. Do I have all the colors? I don't know. Does she? Does she? I want all the colors. That was my goal, was to get all the colors. Yay. Okay. It's another one that's not open. Ooh, what color do I need? Let's look. I have the love. I have that blue one, which is hope. I have the orange one, which is happiness. Love, hope, and happiness. Those are good ones to have. Oh, I have the purple one, which is luck. Okay, so I have hope, love, luck, and happiness. I need the green one, which is okay, I thought I had the green. I need the green one, which is Serenity. And I need, I don't know, like a popsicle color one, which is Loyalty. I'm never going to get the what are it called? The surprise, the mystery ones. Yeah. Ready? Okay. What color? It's the popsicle one. It's the popsicle one. So maybe I do have them all because I have one left. Do you think? No, I don't know. Is it? So here, I have that one right there. I call it the popsicle. It's Loyalty. Loyalty. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Oh my gosh. Let's see. There's no more room. I'm trying to see where there's room. I killed my Labubu. I'll be right back. There we go. Can you see it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they have 6. Oh, I just need the green one. Oh, I'm so tempted to open it right now. Oh, let me even see if it's the Big Into the Energy, if it's a macaroon, or it is. Could it be? Oh, I need another Coach item. I need another Coach item. Okay. I'm excited. Okay, y'all. Okay. I'm like excited. Okay, I'm going to do one more video and see if I have a Coach item in there. All right, Beanbeauties, thank you so much for coming. Like, subscribe. Thank you for getting me to 1,600. On our way to 2K, hopefully by my birthday. Let's try to get it by my birthday. I haven't given that for 2025, but how about my birthday? You know, we might move the goalpost a little bit. All right, Beanbeauties, love y'all. Bye-bye.